crisis of perception of how we are seeing the world in the 21st century. Economic, social, political, environmental. We are seeing these issues every day. But these are symptoms of something greater. It is a crisis of perception of how we are seeing the world. And the way that we should see the world is connected through relationships, through patterns, through interdependence. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala throughout the Quran commands us to reflect, to ponder, to study the ayat of the natural world, to see all of these signs around, to see perfect order and harmony, a perfect system operating. Likewise, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given man laws as well, and for us to live according to the same laws that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala has given to the natural world. Al-Islam is a system, and it is the system of divine order. If we follow the divine order, then humanity will find the answers to the economic, to the social, to the political, to the environmental